Hello people of the internet, this is Learn Punjabi with Tushar. In this video we're going to go over possessive nouns in the Punjabi language. In the Punjabi language, well, let's start with English. In English, we show possessiveness with an apostrophe s in the most basic form and of. I say in the most basic form because if the word ends with an s, we usually we change it and stuff. I'm not gonna worry about that, right? If it's going to go in the most basic form, we use an apostrophe s or the word of. I guess hand, that would work better. Tushar's hand. So Tushar's hand. Right? And then if if this isn't enough, you can also do hand of Tushar. Now you already know this, but what I'm trying to highlight is this part right here, this apostrophe s or this of. We use this. And actually the of is how they do it in Spanish. I don't know the word for hand, but it would be de Tushar. So, for example, it would probably, we could use the word, I'm trying to think of one, banana, right? It would be banana, banana, de, and then Tushar. This is how they do it in Spanish. Reason I'm showing this is just to show that this of and de are like this. Now, you may ask, how does this possessiveness work in Punjabi? Now, in Punjabi, we have three ways of doing it. We have da, di, and de. So how these work is that this section, let me divide it right here. So this right here is masculine. This is masculine, masculine, right? And then the second section right here, this is feminine. Actually, let me erase this. So this right here is feminine, feminine. And then this right here is for if there's multiple. So multiple. So how this will work is, for example, let's use a masculine noun in Punjabi. For example, we can use the word banda, banda, which banda means, it means man. So if I wanted to write the man's hand, right, the man's hand, banda da hat, hat, banda da hat. And the reason it's da is because banda is a masculine noun. There's two ways to identify this. One, obviousness. If the word literally is man, that's going to be masculine, right? The other way, which is more common way to figure out, is this ah. But a lot of them are also you just have to know, which is with immersing. So if you're having trouble doing this, just immerse. But for the most part, if it ends with the I, it's most likely da. So banda da hat, hat. All right. Okay, so let's now do the feminine one. So in feminine, let's use the name Puja, right? I think that's a very common name. So let's do that. Puja, Puja, the Puja, the hat. So as you can see, this still ended with the A, so this is one of those exception ones. But because this is a feminine name, and it's assumed that this person is feminine, this becomes a D. So Puja di Hat. Puja di Hat. And this D becomes D because the person we're talking about is feminine. If it was masculine, it would change. Now, now let's go on to the multiple section. Say there's multiple of this, like let's say the sentence, it is the militaries. right? Let's say it is the militaries. So फौजी दे hai. It is the militaries. Now the military is not a single person, it's an organization, it's multiple. फौजी दे hai. It wouldn't be फौजी da hai. It wouldn't be फौजी di hai. It would be फौजी de hai, because they, it's multiple. There's not, it's a military composed of multiple people, it's an organization. I'm not really sure if Fauji is a word present in Pakistani Punjabi, so don't quote me in the comments being like, no, you did it wrong. I've already recognized that. But I'm just using this as an example. Fauji, which at least in Indian Punjabi is means military, Fauji there, right? Fauji there. This would show that this is a multiple, because it's an organization, and there's multiple people in that organization most likely. It would be Fauji there, right? So this is how you can do possessiveness in Punjabi.